विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईत्रयाय विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईत्रयाय विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। Om Shri Sai Ram. Our humble pranam at thy divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan, our God and our Guru, Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Today we offer Sai Mahima and Bhajans at thy divine lotus feet, Bhagwan Baba. Om Tat Sat Shri Narayana Tu Purushottama Guru Tu Siddha Buddha Tu Skandha Vinayak Savita Pavak Tu Savita Pavak Tu ब्रह्ममस्दतु यः वशक्तितु ईशु पिता प्रभुतु रुद्रविष्णुतु रामकृष्णतु रहीमताओतु रहीमताओतु वासुदेव गौ विश्वरूपतु चिदानंद हरितु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु साई आत्मलिंग शिव तु। Happy birthday Bhagwan Baba. Charan Sparsh Bhagwan Baba, Tuam Sharanam Mama. Our first Sai speaker for the day will be Samjana Adhikari, and then it will be Sanjita Chand, and following will be Sangeet Chand. Om Shri Sai Ram.
Happy birthday Bhagwan Baba. ब्रह्मांड नायक राजा धीराज योगीराज परम गोप्य परम दिव्य भगवान श्री संजय साई बाबा को पावन कोमल चरण कमलमा अनंत कोटि दण्डवत प्रणाम। सबै साईरामहरूलाई हार्दिक साईराम। आज भगवान बाबाको 33औं शुभ जन्मोत्सवको उपलक्ष्यमा सबै साई भक्तहरूको माझमा यो सानो एउटा लेख पढ्न गइरहेको छु। भगवान बाबाको हामीले दर्शन भजन दिव्य आशीर्वचन र प्रवचनबाट रामायण गीता भागवत वेद जस्ता ग्रन्थहरूको साई कथा महिमा र यथेष्ट ज्ञान पाइरहेका छौं। यो कृष्ण साई कथा महिमा र यथेष्ट ज्ञान पाइरहेका छौं। यो कृपा हाम्रो पूर्व जन्मको सुसंस्कार वा यस जन्मको पुकार प्रार्थनाले पाएको क्षण हो। यही क्षणले नै हामीलाई अहोभाग्यमानी र गौरवान्वित गराउँदछ। स्वामीको विभिन्न लीला मध्येमा एक लीला आफ्ना प्यारा भक्तहरूको साथमा विभिन्न ठाउँको तीर्थयात्रा गर्नु हो। तीर्थयात्रामा सबैलाई तीर्थको महत्त्व र जानकारी गराएर सबैलाई धन्य गराइबक्सन्छ। हामी मध्ये स्वामीको साथमा तीर्थयात्रा गर्ने सौभाग्य धेरैले पाएका छैनौँ। जहाँ स्वामीको सशरीर बास छ त्यही नै कैलाश हो, मानसरोवर हो, मथुरा हो, काशी हो, शिरडी हो, पर्ती हो, स्वर्ग हो, वैकुण्ठ हो। जहाँ प्रभुको चरणको एक चिम्टी माटो मिल्दछ त्यही नै सबैभन्दा ठुलो धाम हो। स्वामीको साथमा तीर्थयात्रा नजुरे पनि यिनै शब्दहरूले हामीलाई आश्वासन मिल्दछ। जे मिल्दछ त्यो पनि भाग्य, जे मिल्दैन त्यो पनि भाग्य। स्वामीको प्रत्यक्ष दर्शन मिल्छ, यही नै सबैभन्दा ठुलो तीर्थस्थल हो। हामीलाई त्यस्तो महसुस हुन्छ। स्वामीको साथमा तीर्थ गर्ने भाग्य छ कि छैन त्यो पनि समयको पर्खाइ सिवाय केही छैन। आफ्नो हातमा केही पनि नहुने रहेछ। हामी औधी खुसी हुन्छौँ, आनन्दित हुन्छौँ। हामीहरू सबै सामान्य व्यक्तिले स्वामीको दुर्लभ दर्शन पाएका छौँ। सो दर्शनबाट कहिले वञ्चित हुन नपरोस्, स्वामीले देखाएको बाटोमा हिँड्न सकौँ, यही नै सबैको तर्फबाट प्रार्थना छ। यो प्रसङ्ग स्वामी कैलाश मानसरोवर सवारी भई बक्सेको समयको हो। स्वामीको भौतिक शरीर आश्रम परिसरमा नदेखेपछि मन अलि खल्लो र आश्रम अनि फिक्का शून्य लाग्दथ्यो। समय बितिसकेको थियो, स्वामीको फिर्ती सवारी भइसकेको रहेछ। हामी सबैको लागि स्वामीको दर्शनको तीव्र इच्छा हुनु स्वाभाविक थियो। त्यो दिन सोमबार थियो। सधैँझै हामी भजन हलमा थियौँ। सबैको मुहारमा स्वामीको दर्शन कतिखेर होला भन्ने तीव्र इच्छा रहेको सजिलै अनुमान लगाउन सकिन्थ्यो। हामी दिदीबहिनी पनि भजनको आनन्दमा मग्न थियौँ। स्वामीको भजन हलमा सवारी भयो। सबैको मुहारमा कान्ति छायो। त्यत्तिकैमा दायाँ बायाँ आँखा लगाउँदा भजन हल तन्किएको जस्तो लाग्यो भने भजन हलको भुइँमा हत्केला लगाउँदा उत्पन्न भएको कम्पन सजिलै महसुस गर्न सकिन्थ्यो। सायद यस ऊर्जाले सारा सृष्टिलाई नै ऊर्जावान बनाइराखेको थियो। त्यत्तिकैमा स्वामी आफ्नो आसनमा विराजमान भइबक्सेको थियो। हामी एक टक लगाएर स्वामीलाई निहारिरहेका थियौँ। स्वामीको पुरा शरीरबाट चारैतिरबाट सेतो धुवाँ जस्तो प्रभावित भइरहेको आभास भयो। यो क्षण अत्यन्त पावन क्षण थियो। ब्रह्माण्ड संसारको रचयिता जहाँ विराजमान भइबक्सन्छ त्यही नै सबैभन्दा ठुलो पुण्य तीर्थस्थल भयो। यस्तै सोचमा मस्त हुँदै आफू धन्य भएको महसुस भयो। आफ्ना भक्तहरूलाई समान कृपाको भागीदारी बनाउने उद्देश्यले कैलाश मानसरोवरबाट फर्किएपछि तीर्थयात्रुले आयोजना गरिएको तीर्थयात्रामा सहभागिता हुन नसकेकालाई पनि तीर्थयात्रामा पुगे जति नै कृपा वर्षा छ भनी बक्स्यो। हामी दङ्ग भयौँ। स्वयं उपस्थित भएर आफ्ना कृपालु बाहुले आशीर्वाद स्वरूप प्रदान गरी बक्सेको भोजनले सदियौँका भोग रोग नष्ट भएको महसुस हुँदा हामी अत्यन्त प्रसन्न भएका थियौँ। र अन्तमा हजार जिब्रा भएका शेषनाग भए, नारदजी भए, वेदव्यास भए जस्ता ऋषिमुनिहरूले त नसकेका हजुरको कृपा र लीलाको बखान गर्न हामी जस्ता सामान्य नारीले कसरी गर्न सकौँला। त्यसैले जति व्यक्त गर्न खोज्दा पनि शब्दहरू अव्यक्त नै हुँदो रहेछ। यही पनि यात्राबाट फर्केपछि आफ्ना सबै भक्तहरूलाई दिव्यताको अनुभव दिलाई बक्सने भगवान बाबा हजुरलाई अनन्त कोटि कोटि नमन प्रणाम। कैलाशको दर्शन स्वयं साक्षात शिवको साथमा दर्शन गर्नुहुने सबै पुण्यात्माहरूमा हाम्रो विनम्र साइराम। र अन्तमा हामी हजुरको सङ्गठनले गर्न खोजेका हरेक कार्यमा जुनसुकै भए पनि सहभागिता जनाउन सकौँ। हजुरको सङ्कल्प पुरा भएको हेर्न पाऊँ। हजुरको नाम रूप हरेक श्वासमा तैलधारा जस्तै गरी जप्न सकौँ। हामी सम्पूर्णका तर्फबाट यही प्रार्थनाको साथमा बोल्ने क्रममा भएको गल्तीलाई माफ गरिबक्सोस् बाबा भन्ने बिन्ती चढाउँदै विश्राम गर्न चाहन्छु। ओम श्री साईराम।
Sanjita?
Om Shri Sai Ram. Humble pranams at the holy divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan Baba. Heartily Sai Rams to all the divine chosen hearts of yours, which are so lucky to feel all the grace and love of our dearest Bhagwan Baba. Is there any specific birth date of the one who himself is the creator of the universe, who already exists everywhere? To be more specific, who is omnipresent, omniscient, and omnipotent? The one who is the controller of time, birth, death, and beyond that. We don't know how, why, and when. The one, the one who created us, all the heavenly bodies, all the things that exist, and perhaps the things that don't exist was born. How these work, how these are planned. These all are, at least for me, far, far beyond my understandings, just beyond my capacity even to think. O Lord, you are Bhagwan Ek, Roop Anek, and how could I, as an individual, or we who are even collectively nothing in this vast universe, wish you with the help of few words. After all these whys, hows, and whens, I have come to the conclusion that we celebrate Baba's birthday with enormous joy, not only because Bhagwan was born among us, but as a reminder that the journey of learning does not stop here. We have lots of things to learn about. Service to God is service to mankind. The divine journey of following his principles, actually to be a good human being, is still more to understand. Also, this could be continued from one to another generation. Bhagwan Baba always says Guru is the one who don't give messages but sets his own life as a message. I have framed down a few of my personal experiences under the proximity of Bhagwan Baba and try to express our humble gratitudes for selecting us to witness the totally magical and divine auras of our Almighty God, our Bhagwan Baba. It has already been more than 12 years being under the canopy of our dearest Mother Sai. Being a Balbikas student, then a student of Sri Sanjay Sai Vidya Mandir, and now being Sai Youth, I am getting a golden opportunity to learn life values that we don't receive nowadays, and that also from God Himself is just out of blue. Sai Mahima started along the creation of universe, but I started to sense it since the time when I saw his physical swarup for the first time, as bright as the sun, some 11 to 12 years ago. Then the meaning of God to me was only that the God is somebody up above the sky, whom if I pray, my all the wishes are automatically fulfilled. And the meaning of Guru was ancient saints and sages who give divine discourses as the messages of God. That's also when my mother told Baba is the reincarnation of Lord Vishnu in human form, and I accepted it. My mother told good children go to Balbika's class regularly, go to bhajans, always everything what Baba says, and I used to try my best to execute all these because all I wanted to be was a good child. Actually, my mother is too clever also. Actually, my mother was too clever also. She used to add Baba told in everything to make me learn things. So the continuation of understanding the value of Sai Mahima begin from blind belief to self-realization, from Baba as an idol to be a good human being, to know that he is God, God, generator, operator, and destroyer. My perceptions kept on improving as long as I grew up, and it is going on. Many questions arose, many confusions created, many doubts came into my silly human mind, but all the questions kept on being answered, all the confusions got cleared, and all the doubts got vanished along with the time, and end up thinking how stupid was I to think that. This is how I realized Baba's life is itself a message, and only a guru can do this. Whatever came to my life, I used to take it as granted, but no, it is the golden opportunity to be under the shadow of Bhagwan Baba. We are the divine chosen ones to talk to him, to sit in front of the center of power and energy of the universe, for which saints and sadhus used to do tapas for thousands of years just to get a glimpse of Bhagwan. We should cherish every single moment. Not only youth, but how to be a responsible youth. Not only a kid, but how to be a responsible kid. Not only a educated person, but how to be a educated person with developed character is what I and youths like me learn by attending only one class curated by Baba himself once every week. Baba near or far from us means not away from his divine leelas. I want to share a very beautiful experience. I was completely shocked. Not only me, but my father and my aunt too. During lockdown, Baba conducted online youth class, and I had attended every classes so far. But one day, what happened at my aunt's home? There were some internet issues, so I could not got chance to attend class. Exactly at 10, when I checked the time in my phone, I just said to myself, "Oh, now the class has started, and Baba maybe just entered the Zoom class." Then suddenly, we three felt sensed a blissful aroma. My brain was triggered, and I was feeling if I know this aroma. I opened the window. No any aroma was coming from outside. I went to the other rooms. There was nothing. Nobody had entered the room. It was the same aroma that we everybody sense when Bhagwan Baba passes by us. We felt that, and that was not an illusion. It was so real. I was shocked, I was happy, and I don't know how that's possible at the same time. I realized Baba knows everything. Baba, I surrender myself on your holy lotus feet. Last year, I had taken an oath to control my anger on the auspicious occasion of Baba's 32nd birthday. And I could control a lot, by the way. And this following year, I want to develop positive mindset within me. Baba's incarnation is for us, to show us the right path. Then this is the most auspicious moment, not only to listen Baba's discourses, but actually to execute. Let's do this together. Let's invite small yet a positive change within us. This is the best gift that we can offer on the holy divine lotus feet of our Bhagwan Baba. We would like to pray that, O Lord, shower us the right-minded, right-mindedness recipients within us. At last, I would like to express my sincere gratitude for giving me such a beautiful opportunity to keep my few words on the divine lotus feet of Bhagwan Baba. Please forgive me, thinking as an innocent child of our Baba, if I have made any mistakes whilst speaking. Om Sri Sai Ram.
Om Sri Sai Ram. We offer and completely surrender ourselves at the holy lotus feet of omnipresent, omniscient, and omnipotent Lord, our Guru, the very source of our life force, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. I extend my heartfelt Sairam to all the revered devotees disseminated over the entire globe. It's 33rd year of advent of Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba on the earth in this physical form, which is 33rd year of continuous love and grace from Swami to us. 33rd year of Dharma Sthapana, Veda Rakshanam, and Marg Darshan. What and how shall we wish to Swami when Swami is everyone's wish? What words shall we express to Swami on this divine occasion when entire sounds in nature and every intrinsic vibration of the cosmos is Swami's miracle? No amount of intellect and wisdom is enough for this impossible task of wishing Swami on the occasion of 33rd year of Swami's advent. So we completely surrender ourselves with enormous gratitude at the holy lotus feet of Bhagwan Baba. Swami, I ask with you the divine permission to start my speech. Om Sri Sai Ram. Today we choose not to speak but to say about what we get to experience during Swami's proximity. How coming to ashram has been the turning point of our life. What transformation Swami has brought within us being a Sai youth student. And how Swami's divine mission has been a driving force behind the purpose of our life. Sai Ram, Swami himself is with us. This is the greatest miracle in nature. And we are with Swami. This is the greatest happening in our life. What is the starting point of doing sadhana? What is the rigid foundation of doing sadhana? When we witness Swami and his miracle through our physical eyes, then this is simply a phenomenon of observing and saving it in the memory of our brain. When we listen Swami's discourse through our physical ears, we may not be able to internalize Swami's divine words and make it the way we live our life. Physical proximity with Swami may not be enough when we aren't spiritually receptive of Swami's divine aura and energy field. Swami is too beyond our physical thought process, logical framework of our mind. Swami is formless to witness and perceive physically. But when we are in the path of pure love and firm dedication, there is no room for space between Swami and us. Prem and Nama Smaran is the easiest way to our beloved God. The very foundation of sadhana is faith. When above the rigid base of faith, there is firm belief, where there involves no thoughts, no dry intellect, no logical basis, there is just complete surrender and pure devotion, then we start to experience Swami in a very subtle manner. Then every action of Swami, every words of Swami, every gesture of Swami is divine, transforming and mind-boggling for us. Swami has said at various occasions during his divine discourse that Nama Smaran is the fastest and easiest way to get to God in Kali Yuga. Sai Ram, today we want to say that Swami's name has enormous and unmeasurable strength to purify and refine our thoughts, action, and behavior, completely taking us out from all sort of negativities. Our whole life becomes Sai Maya by just heartedly remembering Swami's name. When we continuously chant Swami's name and stabilize the foundation of belief and faith within us, we get to experience the very intrinsic swarup of our Bhagwan within ourselves. Our God is within us. In fact, He is creator. The whole creation is Him, and what is being created is Him. So we are not apart from our God, Swami. We just aren't aware about it. So Swami tells us to be aware and to be alert. We remember Swami giving us discourse about meditation during youth classes. Meditation isn't an act, but a state. There are currents of thoughts, wave of memories from our past surrounding our mind. There are mental barriers because of our predefined concepts and notions. But we get out of these things and become completely vacant and attain the state of mindfulness. Then Swami's darshan through our physical eyes becomes meditation for us. Swami's physical proximity or even a simple touch becomes meditation for us. Listening to Swami's discourses itself becomes meditation for us. Swami's every words and life-changing messages becomes internalized and they become our lifestyle. In this way, we are always doing meditation. And when we are always in meditation, it itself becomes medication to all our life problems. Sorrows, greed, anger, mental suffering will have no space in our life. We get enormous amount of clarity and our line of perception gets automatically tuned when we start seeing the things the way they are. We start experiencing Swami in every little things in our life. Most importantly, we start dedicating our every actions to Swami. Then our every work and action becomes a karma, driven because of something divine for something very higher purpose. We will not only be limited to simple life processes for living and sustaining, but start seeking the higher purpose of life. From Chetana, we start doing Antar Chintan. Sai Ram, this year Swami has decided the year of Antar Chintan. Through Antar Chintan, our spiritual experience gets amplified and we start realizing our inner qualities. When we start realizing our inner qualities, miraculous things start to happen in our life. When there is Swami's mission, and we have already realized our inner qualities, what do we need more in our life? This is the stage where Swami's mission becomes our sole purpose of our life. The holy abode of Sai Vrindavan Ashram becomes the place of our Karma Yoga. Swami has said us that we all are here for purpose. When we realize that our ultimate purpose is to become Swami's instrument to spread Swami's love, grace to whole world, then our life becomes meaningful. Swami's mission will not only be our part, but we will entirely be the part of Swami's mission. Sai Ram, being Swami's youth student is the turning point of our life. Baba's discourses have been our inspiration. Swami's greatest miracle is self-transformation and self-realization. Maybe I don't know subjectively or spiritually what is God, but I know that my God is Swami, and I dedicate my whole life for Swami's mission. Today, wherever I am, academically, career-wise, or in terms of philosophy of life, or in terms of clarity of life, it's all because of Swami. These 10 to 12 years with Swami, attending Sayut classes at the every weekends has brought enormous changes within me. It's my duty to use my skills in Swami's mission. And uh, at the last, if I made any mistake during my word selection, if I did any conceptual mistake, I pray at the holy lotus feet of Bhagwan Baba to apologize me. And on behalf of the entire humanity, I pray at the holy lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan to shower his love, grace to all of us, to all the living beings, to all the creatures, to the entire nature, to the entire ecosystem, I pray at the holy lotus feet of our beloved Baba to shower his love, grace, and blessing to all of us. And Baba has been continuously saying us that worship to work is worship to God is to worship to work. So as I have some duty, I apologize at the holy lotus feet of Baba that I may not be able to continue being involved in this program because I have some duties. But I will stay in the online program until and unless my turn come there, as I have to give a small presentation in the final year project. And at last, I again want to bow down to the holy lotus feet of Bhagwan Baba. Om Sai Ram.
पार्वती नंदन परम दयाल पार्वती नंदन परम दयाल लंबोदरा गजानना लंबोदरा गजानना पंचविमोचन भवभय भंजन पंचविमोचन भवभय भंजन प्रणव स्वरूप हे शिव नंदन प्रणव स्वरूप हे शिव नंदन पाहि प्रभो मां पाहि गजानन पाहि प्रभो मां पाहि गजानन लंबोदरा गजानना लंबोदरा गजानना लंबोदरा गजानना.
Happy birthday, Swamiji. Dedicating this song to your lotus feet. Advaita Saram Saim Bhaje Advaita Saram Saim Bhaje Aham Karanasam Saim Bhaje Aham Karanasham Saim Bhaje Antarangavasam Saim Bhaje Antarangavasam Saim Bhaje Swarnayukastabhagam Saim Bhaje Swarnayukastabhagam Saim Bhaje Advaita Saram Saim Bhaje Advaita Saram Saim Bhaje Aham Karanasham Saim Bhaje Aham Karanasham Saim Bhaje Nirmala Charitam Saim Bhaje Nirmala Charitam Saim Bhaje Nirakara Rupam Saim Bhaje Nirakara Rupam Saim Bhaje Advaita Saram Saim Bhaje Aham Karanasham Saim Bhaje Antarangavasam Saim Bhaje Swarnayukastabhagam Saim Bhaje अद्वैत सारं साईं भजे, अहंकार नाशं साईं भजे, निर्मल चरितं साईं भजे, निराकार रूपं साईं भजे, निराकार रूपं साईं भजे, अद्वैत सारं साईं भजे। Sai Ram.
Happy birthday to Swami. Happy birthday to Swami. Jagatodarini Mata Durga, Jagatodarini Ma. Jagatodarini Mata Durga, Jagatodarini Ma. Jago jago ma, jago jago ma, jago jago ma janani. Jago jago ma, jago jago ma, jago jago ma janani. He Durga Devi Rana Chandi Devi, he Shivaramana jago ma. हे दुर्गा देवी रणचंडी देवी, हे शिवरमणा जगोमा, हे शिवरमणा जगोमा, हे शिवरमणा जगोमा, जग जगदोदारिणी मां, जागो जगदोदारिणी मां, जगदोदारिणी माता दुर्गा, जगदोदारिणी मां, जागो जागो मां, जागो जागो मां, जागो जागो मां जननी। हे दुर्गा देवी रणचंडी देवी, हे शिवरमणा जगोमा, हे शिवरमणा जगोमा, जग जगदोदारिणी मां, जागो जगदोदारिणी मां, जगदोदारिणी माता दुर्गा, जगदोदारिणी मां। Sai Ram.
Happy birthday to you, Sai Ram Baba. Satakoti pranams at your latest feet. We seek your blessings, Sai Ram. Ganga Jatadhara Gauri Shankara Girijamana Ramana. Ganga Jatadhara Gauri Shankara Girijamana Ramana. Jaya Mrityunjaya Mahadeva Maheshwara Mangala Subhacharana. Jaya Mrityunjaya Mahadeva Maheshwara Mangala Subhacharana. Nandivahana Nagabhushana, Nandivahana Nagabhushana, Nirupama Guna Sadana, Sai Nirupama Guna Sadana, Natana Manohara Neelakanta Sai, Natana Manohara Neelakanta Sai, Neerajadala Nayana, Sai Neerajadala Nayana. Ganga Jatadhara Gauri Shankara Girijamana Ramana. Jaya Mrityunjaya Mahadeva Maheshwara Mangala Subhacharana. Nandivahana Nagabhushana, Nirupama Guna Sadana, Natana Manohara Neelakanta Sai, नटन मनोहर नीलकंठ साई नीरजदल नयना साई नीरजदल नयना गंगा जटाधर गौरी शंकर गिरिजामन रमण साई राम।
Anushtuk.
Jai Sri Sanjay Sairam. Happy birthday, Sairam. Baba Sri Baba Sai Baba Sai Baba Sri Sai Ram. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Sri Rama, Sai Rama, Hare Hare, Sai Rama, Sai Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare, Sai Rama, Sai Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Sai Krishna, Sai Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Sai Krishna, Sai Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Sri Sanjay Sri Sai Baba. Jai Sri Sai Ram.
हर प्राणी में साई, हर प्राणी में भाभा, सब प्रेम करो, सब प्रेम करो, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साई, मेरा साई, मेरा साई, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा, दिन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। दिन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। साई मेरा मैं तेरा, साई मेरा मैं तेरा, प्रेम की बहती धारा, प्रेम की बहती धारा। दिन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा साई, मेरा साई, साई साई साई, मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। दिन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। साई मेरा मैं तेरा, साई मेरा मैं तेरा, प्रेम की बहती धारा, प्रेम की बहती धारा। दिन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा स्वामी प्रसन्न होगा। Om Shri Sai Ram. Loving pranams at the divine lotus feet. Happy birthday to you, Swami.
Sairam. Happy birthday, Swami. करुणानिकेतना भक्त सखा प्रभु, करुणानिकेतना भक्त सखा प्रभु, चरण में लो भगवान, चरण में लो भगवान। दुख भंजन श्री राम, दुख भंजन श्री राम। त्रिभुवन संचारी ज्योति स्वरूपा, त्रिभुवन संचारी ज्योति स्वरूपा, नित्य निरंजन राम, नित्य निरंजन राम। आदि अनंत है प्रेम स्वरूपा, आदि अनंत है प्रेम स्वरूपा। दुख भंजन श्री राम, दुख भंजन श्री राम। करुणानिकेतन भक्त सखा प्रभु।
Brother Damodar.
बार तुम आओ साई, बार तुम आओ साई, दर्शन दो भगवान, दर्शन दो ओ साई दर्शन दो भगवान, बार बार तुम आओ साई, नित्य निर्मल नित्यानंदा, नित्य निर्मल सच्चिदानंद प्रभु, दर्शन दो भगवान, ओ साई दर्शन दो भगवान, बार बार तुम आओ साई, बार बार तुम आओ साई, दर्शन दो भगवान, दर्शन दो भगवान, दर्शन दो भगवान, ओ साई दर्शन दो भगवान, बार बार तुम आओ साई, नित्य निर्मल नित्यानंदा, नित्य निर्मल नित्यानंदा, सच्चिदानंद प्रभु, सच्चिदानंद प्रभु, दर्शन दो भगवान, ओ साई दर्शन दो भगवान, बार बार तुम आओ साई। सही राम।
Can you hear now? Hello. Sarvam Brahmamayam Re Re Sarva Brahmamayam Sarvam Brahmamayam Re Re Sarva Brahmamayam
सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं किं वदनीयं किं वदनीयं किं वदनीयं किं वदनीयं किं रजनीयं किं रजनीयं किं रजनीयं किं रजनीयं सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं किं बोधव्यं 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 सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं सर्वत्र सदा हंस ध्यानो 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 सर्वत्र सदा हंस ज्ञानो सर्वत्र सदा हंस ध्यानो कर्तव्यो मुक्ति निदानो कर्तव्यो मुक्ति निदानो सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं 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 सद्गुरुनाथ सदाशिवेन्द्र साईनाथ दयानिधो सद्गुरुनाथ सदाशिवेन्द्र साईनाथ दया करो 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 सद्गुरुनाथ दया करो साईनाथ दया करो दया करो दया करो
Sairam. Sairam, are you hearing? Ava Gurudeva Darushana Dijo Ava Gurudeva Darushana Dijo Sai Gurudeva Darushana Dijo तुम हो जगत के धाता तुम हो जगत के धाता आवो गुरुदेव दर्शन दीजो साई गुरुदेव दर्शन दीजो तुम हो जगत के धाता तुम हो जगत के धाता तुम्ही हो ब्रह्मा तुम्ही हो विष्णु तुम्ही हो शंकर रूपा तुम्ही हो ब्रह्मा तुम्ही हो विष्णु तुम्ही हो शंकर रूपा सृष्टि स्थिति लय स्वरूप तुम हो सृष्टि स्थिति लय स्वरूप तुम हो अनादि रूपा साई गुरुदेव दर्शन दीजो आवो गुरुदेव दर्शन दीजो तुम हो जगत के धाता तुम हो जगत के धाता अनाथ नाथ दीन बंधु तुम हो आनंद रूप अनाथ नाथ दीन बंधु तुम हो आनंद रूप अज्ञान नाशक शरण संरक्षक अज्ञान नाशक शरण संरक्षक आत्मज्ञान प्रदाता अव गुरुदेव साई गुरुदेव संजय गुरुदेव दर्शन दीजो तुम हो जगत के धाता 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 Happy birthday, Swami. My beloved pranams at the lotus feet of Sanjay Sai Baba.
Om Sai Ram. Kodi Kodi pranams to the divine lotus feet of our beloved Swami. Happy birthday, Swami. With your divine guidance and blessings, I submit this song to your lotus feet. माधव मामव देवा माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा साधु जनार्दन सार्वभौम साधु जनार्दन सार्वभौम साधु जनार्दन सार्वभौम माधव मामव देवा माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा अम्बुजलोचन कम्बुसुभग्रीव अम्बुजलोचन कम्बुसुभग्रीव अम्बुजलोचन कम्बुसुभग्रीव बिम्बाधर चन्द्र बिम्बानना अम्बुजलोचन कम्बुसुभग्रीव बिम्बाधर चन्द्र बिम्बानना अम्बुजलोचन कम्बुसुभग्रीव बिम्बाधर चन्द्र बिम्बानना माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा चाम्बेयनासाग्र लग्न सुमतिग चाम्बेयनासाग्र लग्न सुमतिग शारद चन्द्र जनित मदना चाम्बेयनासाग्र लग्न सुमतिग शारद चन्द्र जनित मदना माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण
Brother Samrat.
ओम साईराम। राम राम जय रघुकुल तिलका राम राम जय रघुकुल तिलका राजीव लोचन राम, राजीव लोचन राम। ईश्वरं वसुत जय जगवन्दना, ईश्वरं वसुत जय जगवन्दना। रत्नाकर कुलदीपा, रत्नाकर कुलदीपा। साई रत्नाकर कुलदीपा, साई रत्नाकर कुलदीपा। राम राम जय रघुकुल तिलक, राजीव लोचन राम। ईश्वरं वसुत जय जगवन्दना, रत्नाकर कुलदीपा, रत्नाकर कुलदीपा। साई रत्नाकर कुलदीपा, साई रत्नाकर कुलदीपा। राम राम जय रघुकुल तिलक।
Sai Ram.
Brother Damodar.
Sai Ram. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, 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 राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, 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 राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। साई राम।
Prema pranams, my dearest Bhagwan and Guru, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Happy birthday to you, dear Bhagwan. Swami, O Sarvesha, Sanjay Saisha. We are the flowers that have blossomed for you, that has come today for your worship like any other day. Your grace showered on us has helped us to offer this beautiful bouquet of thoughts and songs at thy lotus feet for the 33rd birthday celebration that is happening for 33 days. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय शांति 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 सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यस्य सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि साईश्वरायेति समर्पयामि संजय साईश्वरायेति समर्पयामि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ओम ब्रह्मांड नायकाय भगवान श्री संजय साई बाबा जी की जय। ओम ज्ञान स्वरूपाय भक्त परिपालनाय भगवान श्री संजय साई बाबा जी की जय। ओम वेद रक्षकाय वेदांत साराय भगवान श्री संजय साई बाबा जी की जय। स्वामी स्वामी शरणम मम।
Happy birthday, Bhagwan Baba. Tvam Sharanam Mama.
Baba, Tom Sharanam Mama.
Happy birthday, Baba.
Koti Pranam Swami, your lotus feet.
Koti Pranam Swami at the Lotus Feet, Sanjay Sai Baba. Happy birthday, Baba.
Happy birthday.
Sanjita, you were going to wish Swami? Sanjita?
Sahi.